How to use the Jollylook eye. In the box you'll find the eye and an instructions manual in multiple languages. There are two knobs on the eye, the shutter release knob and the photo development knob. Before using the eye, make sure the lens is clean. Push down and open the rear cover. Ensure the shutter is working well like shown here. Pin the development knob until the hook is at the bottom position. Insert the Instax mini film cassette. The yellow stripe should be in the top right corner. Never open the back cover if you haven't used all 10 shots to avoid exposing the film. Close the back cover. Push until it clicks. Spin the development knob to get the protective film out. Pick a photo on your phone and set the brightness to maximum. Position the eye on the phone screen. Scale the photo to the desired size. Pin the shutter release button. You will hear a click. Smoothly spin the development knob to extract the photo. Once the photo stops emerging, stop turning the knob. In 2 minutes, your photo will develop. We recommend printing colorful photos to achieve bright and vibrant results. Enjoy!